Hello viewers, welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor from the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, and today we'll be discussing how difficult it is to get an annulment in Texas. While many people are familiar with divorce, annulment is a different legal process that can be more challenging to obtain. Let's dive into the specifics. Annulment is a legal procedure that declares a marriage null and void, as if it never existed. Unlike divorce, which ends a legally valid marriage, an annulment is granted when the marriage is found to have been invalid from the start. Texas law provides specific grounds under which an annulment can be granted, and meeting these criteria is essential. To obtain an annulment in Texas, you must prove one of the following grounds: underage marriage, if one or both spouses were under the legal age of 18 when they married without parental consent or court approval; impotence, if one spouse was permanently impotent at the time of the marriage and the other spouse did not know about it; influence of drugs or alcohol, if one spouse was under the influence of drugs or alcohol at the time of the marriage and was unable to consent; fraud, duress, or force, if one spouse was induced to marry based on fraud, duress, or force; mental incapacity, if one spouse lacked the mental capacity to consent to the marriage due to mental illness or defect; concealed divorce, if one spouse divorced another person within 30 days before marrying the current spouse and concealed this fact. If the marriage took place within 72 hours of the issuance of the marriage license, it can be annulled unless certain exceptions apply. Meeting the grounds for annulment is just the first step. You must also provide sufficient evidence to support your claim. This can involve gathering documents, witness statements, and other forms of proof to demonstrate that the grounds for annulment are valid. The burden of proof is on the party seeking the annulment, making it a challenging process. The annulment process in Texas involves filing a petition with the court and attending a hearing where a judge will review the evidence. Unlike a no-fault divorce, which can be relatively straightforward, annulment cases often require more detailed legal arguments and evidence. Additionally, there are specific timelines for filing an annulment, depending on the grounds. For instance, an annulment based on fraud must typically be filed within a specific period after discovering the fraud. Obtaining an annulment in Texas can be challenging due to the strict legal requirements and the need for substantial evidence. However, if you meet the specific grounds and can provide the necessary proof, an annulment can provide a legal means to declare marriage invalid. It's essential to consult with an experienced family law attorney to navigate this complex process effectively. Thank you for joining us for this discussion on how difficult it is to get an annulment in Texas. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more legal insights. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Take care and stay informed.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.